Right now I'm on vacation and it's Easter. I'm going to be showing you all of my Easter themed fidgets, or the things that remind me of Easter. First is my carrot poppet. I really like it because if you look closely, it has little Easter bunnies on it. It's so cute. Next is my bunny poppet. I got this on Amazon in a 3-pack and I love it. I love bunnies and it's so cool because I love the blue color. Pink square poppet, rainbow crush tangle, a 3 simple dimple, this calming Aaron thinking putty, white marble and mesh. It kind of blends in the snow. I love these zippy bracelets. Of course, my dimple. And lastly, this super pastel awesome poppet. This is one of my all-time favorite poppets. It's so cute. Bye! Hey everyone, this amazing company sent me some amazing products. And if you want any, shop the link in my bio. Even though it's not Christmas time yet, I still love Christmas and I'm so excited for this poppet. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Listen to it pop. Wow. Next is this fish. This side pops so well and it's so cute. Boop. This side is even better. Amazing! Next is this huge butterfly. Let's pop it. Amazing! This is so good. Both sides are amazing. I think this is one of the best poppets I've ever had. I'm not even joking. Bye! Hey everyone! So I have these awesome poppets. And they look like any ordinary poppet, right? Wrong, I'll show you. So look at the color right now, okay? And now look. It's changing color. Look at how pretty. Let's leave it out here and see how much darker it can get. And now let's take this one outside. Oh my goodness, look at that. And when you bring them back inside, they turn normal again. I wonder how this works. And it sounds amazing. If you want these, shop the link in my bio. Bye guys. Peace. Hey everyone. This is the last part of opening all the fidgets this amazing company sent me. By the way, if you want any of these, shop the link in my bio. Let's open this one next. Wow, it's just like this one. I love it. Next is this sheep one. It pops so well. And its eyes are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at how huge this poppet is. Look at how big this is. And it pops so well. I love all the colors. Shop the link in my bio to buy. And all these stuff. Bye guys.
I like pop it, 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 pop it.
Hey everyone! Happy 4th of July! I just got back from the 4th of July parade, as you can see by my hand. I wanted to show you some of these amazing 4th of July fidgets. First is this poppet in the shape of America. It pops pretty well. And it's so cute. Next up is this 4th of July Pop-It keychain. And it's almost in the shape of like a popsicle, I think. Oh my goodness, this is such a good Pop-It. Next are these 3 flag Pop-Its. The square one. Let's try the other side. It's pretty good. The heart one. And lastly, the circle one. Ooh, this one's actually really good. Let's try the other side. Wow, I like this one the best, I think. Next is this red stress ball. I love how the Orbeez feel. This blue, almost like tie-dye tangle. This mini red Pop-It. Jumbo blue pop tube. It is so hard. And lastly, these blue and red, like, puzzle piece Pop-Its. They pop so well. I love them. Anyway, happy 4th of July. Bye, guys. Hey, everyone. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on these rainbow magnetic balls from Miss Bench. These look so fun. Let's open it. It comes with this super nice padded tin. Open up these. These look awesome. Wow. Look at how awesome these look, and the sound is amazing. I love how you can mold them into a bunch of different shapes. It's also nice that they don't like come apart or roll away, so it's great for car rides and going on the go. This is definitely one of my new favorite Fidget toys. I highly recommend, 10 out of 10. You can get these for $24.99 on Fidget Toys Plus's website. Go follow them down below. Bye! Hey everyone! I have 2 huge packages from Mrs. Bench and I'm so excited to open it. You can buy any of the stuff in here at Fidget Toys Plus. Go follow her down below. This package first. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, that looks so fun. Wow! I got 2 fuzzy tangles, a purple Pop-It, this maze ball, I think it's called, this blue snappers, and this little eraser as an extra. So cute. I'm so excited, so let's open these. Oh my goodness, look at how awesome these are. I love how soft they are. Look at how pretty the colors are. Ah! Oops, dropped it, but I love it. This Pop-It is so high quality. I love it. This is one of the best snappers I have ever had, and look at how pretty the color is. I'm so excited to try this out. Come back for part 2. Bye, guys. Hey, everyone. This is part 2 of all the stuff Jaru Toys sent me. I've already opened this stuff, but I'm so excited to figure out the rest. First, let's open this Squish Attack Stretchy Dog. This looks so fun. Wow. The sound is amazing. Now let's see if it stretches. Oh my goodness, look at how long that stretched to. This isn't really long, and this isn't normally kind of. It sounds so cool. That's my favorite part. These look really fun. I wonder what they are. Ooh, these are super fun. They kind of remind me of mini Neatos, and you can definitely tell that they're not gonna pop because they're nice thick-skinned. And they're so fun to squish. In the next video, I'm going to be reviewing these glow-in-the-dark Squish Attack squishies. I wonder if they will actually glow in the dark. Let's wait and see. Bye! Look at all the stuff Jaru Toys sent me. Go follow them on TikTok and Instagram and check out their amazing stuff. Let's see. Wow, I'm so excited. These are ginormous Squish Attack squishies. This is the box compared to my hand. Wow, I love this. It's so soft too. These are definitely my new favorite stress balls. These are all Squish Attack sand stress balls. I've had the banana one before and it's my all-time favorite stress ball. Let's open these. This is called the Quirky Carrot. Well, here's the Quirky Carrot. It's so nice. This is called the Jalapeno. Aw, this guy's kind of cute. Let's open the Hot Tamale. I love his little mustache. Listen to the nice sound. Come back for part 2 to open the rest. Bye! I just got this huge package from Jet Baby and I'm so excited to see what's inside. please. This is such a fun poppet. It is so loud on both sides. Listen, ready? Oh my goodness, and it so reminds me of summer. I have been wanting this poppet for so long. It is such a fun shape, and I love it. Listen, so amazing. This is so cute. I'm not really sure what it is, but whatever it is, I love it. Another thing I like about these poppets is it has like the little thing on the actual popping. Comment down below what animal you think this is. I have always wanted a dinosaur poppet. It is such a fun shape, and honestly, it is really big. It's one of my biggest poppets. And both sides are, of course, super loud. These colors are amazing. Go shop them. Bye, guys.
My vibe right now is just living life. I am just here to live life. I was just there living life. You can't say we didn't live life. We are definitely living life.